Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn on likes notifications that are perfectly tailored for you on the X app, right from your computer. The latest update has made it easier than ever to fine-tune your notifications, so you only see what truly matters. Let's dive right in. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so all the settings you change are saved automatically. Once it's open, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options here, but what we're looking for is notifications. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've opened notifications, find the small settings option, usually marked by a gear icon, and select it. This will take you straight to the notification settings panel, where you have full control over what alerts you receive. Now, from here, click on Preferences. Inside this section, you'll see a group of options that let you customize every aspect of your notifications. Look for Push Notifications and click to open it. This is where the fun part begins. Scroll down a little until you reach the section labeled Related to You and Your Posts. Under this, you'll see the Likes category. This is where you can choose how detailed your like notifications will be. Click on Likes, and you'll be given the option called Tailored for You. Turn this setting on. What this does is personalize your like notifications so you get alerts based on the accounts and activity most relevant to you, rather than being spammed by every single interaction. Once you've selected Tailored for You, you can simply close your settings. The app will automatically save your changes. From now on, your notifications will be smarter, more focused, and much more enjoyable to check. And that's it. You've successfully turned on likes notifications that are tailored just for you on X. Simple steps, a cleaner notification experience, and a better way to stay connected with the content that actually matters to you.